The Companies and Intellectual Property Commission, CIPC, has prioritized registration of cooperatives. These cooperatives are seen by government as a vehicle for employment creation, a key government strategic objective. On Monday, the 31st of October 2011, the United Nations officially launched the International Year of Cooperatives at the United Nations General Assembly held in Cancun, Mexico. 300 leaders of global cooperatives witnessed the prestigious launch event.
The United Nations has declared 2012 the International Year of Cooperatives. It sent out a message that all stakeholders, the private sector, the government, should make communities aware of the importance of cooperatives and ask the communities to come forward to register cooperatives, because they see cooperative as a vehicle that can create jobs and alleviate poverty. And people can be empowered through cooperatives.
Letlogela Security Services Primary Cooperative was established in 2011 on the 1st of April. Our cooperative is rendering a security service. We've got 64 members. We all started together a year ago, and even now we are still 64. And then there are 6 non-members which have been employed by the cooperative, so that makes our figure to 70.
The Chobotla Cooperative, as it is today, it's a cooperative bank. Currently, we are having 1,015 members, including the staff and the board of directors. It was formed after 3 SACCOs merged in this municipality. After that, boundaries of municipality have been combined.
IMAS was established in 1937 within ISCO for ISCO employees to can be able to access finance through the co-op. We are the largest trade co-op in South Africa. We currently have 150,000 members, and our branches, out of 32 branches, and we've got 5 regional offices. We also have on-site offices from those companies where we render businesses and our products to our members.
We started in 2008 with 27 members. Now, at the present moment, we are 21. 19 female, 2 male. The others are out of work because of old age. Here in Future Creation, we create the future. We're making clothes, tracksuits, t-shirts, school uniforms, church, choir, everything we do for outsiders too, not just for schools and churches. And now what we are trying to do, we are trying to create jobs for the people outside.
Registering a cooperative is easy and there are minimum requirements. Complete the application forms. Attach certified copies of IDs. The cooperative's constitution, to which model constitutions are available online. Submit your application through mail or in person.
CIPC has registered over 10,000 cooperatives in the last financial year. This was the first registration we have ever had in the history of CIPC.
We are rendering a security as we started from the 1st of April until now to the Department of Economic Development.
Actually, what we are doing, we are encouraging members to save. We are encouraging saving mobilization.
IMAS is registered as a financial services cooperative, so it offers quite a wide range of products to our members. The largest component of it is financing products. There's a whole suite of products in the financing space. It starts with pension-backed home loans, loans to acquire a motor vehicle, and we've also got unsecured loans that we offer to quite a large number of our members.
The reason we are registered cooperative banks is to ensure that the members' deposits are safe at all times, and to ensure that even the cooperative bank itself is financially sound. And over and above that is to make sure that even the people, the common bond that the people will be coming forward with, it's within what the Cooperative Banks Act it's envisaging.
We feel that the AGM is the most important, basically, date on the venue of a cooperative, and it's imperative for each cooperative to have its AGM. It's the only time that members really get to intervene with the cooperative and to hear the voice of the members. And actually, members are the owners of these cooperatives. And that is also the only time when you want to establish whether there's a real cooperative and not a bogus cooperative, whether you look at whether AGM has been held and what transpired from that AGM.
Any organization of people or animals pulling together with a common goal and equally shared interest can only enjoy success.
One thing that we consider, one thing that we always, which is our motive and our vision and our goal, is to be one and to have one vision and to have one goal.
Members of the Chobotla Cooperative are equal. We don't allow the people to discriminate each other according to race or whatever. All of us, we are equal. That is why we have decided to merge and form one cooperative.
As we are all the members that are working here, we can determine in the end of the day what amount of money that we want to make for the month.
As you know, being a cooperative, if you utilize the product, you have to become a member, and the Cooperative Act stipulates that it's one member, one vote, for example. So it is actually owned by the employees of all the different participating employer groups.
Whenever we are rendering the service to those people where we are rendering the service, we give the best of ourselves because we know that we are also the owners.
In cooperatives, members are equal. They share equally, and in cooperatives, what you put in is what you get out.
In a cooperative, all members are equal and have likewise equal benefit and equal risk. It is this unique characteristic that makes a cooperative the strongest business model available.
All our actions and our strategy are developed around our members, because our members are our large constituency, and which is also the most important stakeholder in IMAS.
IMAS's members are its shareholders, which means that we have to keep our members informed about everything that happens in the cooperative. And that includes the bonuses that are paid to members, new directors that are elected, any changes in IMAS's constitution, etc. So once a year we arrange an annual general meeting. It's normally held in October, and then we invite all our members to participate in these meetings.
SACCO upgrade the standard of living of our members. Our members, some of them, they've got houses, cars because of SACCO, and their children, they are at schools because of our SACCO.
SACCO yampha 12,600 ka ya go phimola school to saka ko OK furniture.
O ka kry le go di ID tsa ka di ko bathong ke a dimile di madi ha go gore ke a buse ha kgwedi hela dilo karta tsa ka ha di yo di ko bo matšhonise bo banyane and rotloetsa gore no tla mosako go bereke ga yana mpontsha tsela.
So ke kry-ile thuso e ke e kry-ile mo Sako ke tshotse check ka 20,000 vandag e ke a go startang business ka yone.
Ga ke sa tlhola ke reka dilo di tshwana le bo di furniture ke di reka ka sekoloto.
With all the obvious successes of most cooperatives, it only makes sense for any group of people with a common community business goal to consider formalizing their businesses by registering as a cooperative. Our doors at CIPC are open, and with the government focusing on cooperatives for employment creation, opportunities for cooperatives are endless.
Cooperatives are no longer for social purposes. Cooperatives are now a form of enterprise. They're businesses, and they're business with unique characteristics because they're being governed by cooperative principles.
In my mind, no doubt that being a cooperative has contributed to the success of IMAS. So I would say that anybody that wants to start a business should definitely consider a cooperative as a legal entity. I think the important part is when you've got a common goal. I mean, that is the key to the success. So a cooperative is a way to unite people under a legal structure to pursue that common goal.
Yeah, in terms of our strategic planning, we want to be in a high-profile bank in the country because we want to have branches all over the country. Especially, we have started to target our region as the capital Lema. So we want to be far, and the number that we want to be after 3 years, we want to be at 2,500 membership. I see cooperatives as one weapon to fight poverty. I will encourage people to have cooperatives, especially financial co-ops, because according to me, they can sustain themselves. You don't rely on always asking or looking for funding.
We therefore appeal to communities to consider cooperatives as an alternative model, business model to engage in.